Our journey begins on day 8 with a tiny C-shaped embryo and the first rhythmic heartbeats. By the next day, 4 small limb birds emerge alongside the first dark hollow eye sockets. The facial region begins to indent, forming the early nasal pits and a tiny lower jaw bird. On day 11, the first ear folds, known as the pinna, appear surprisingly low, almost touching the neck. Watch as the front limb buds lengthen into cylinder while the nostril become much more defined. Day 13 marks a major shift. The ear starts climbing upward as thin eyelids begin to form. The ends of the limbs flatten into panel shapes, while the ears grow significantly wider and flatter. Deep beneath the skin of the paws, 5 faint digital rays begin to define the feature toes. By day 16, the face is unmistakable, featuring the iconic vertical cleft lip and a fully shaped nose. The fingers have now completely separated, and the hand ties are starting to grow at a remarkable rate. Internal cartilage is rapidly hardening, making the ears appear much sturdier as they press against the head. It's day 19, and the eyelids are now tightly sealed, protecting the dark eyeballs beneath the translucent skin. Notice the tiny bumps appearing around the lips. These are the follicles where sensitive whiskers will soon grow. A milestone at day 21, the spine is ossifying, turning a solid milky white as the skeleton strengthens. At the very tips of its toe, the first tiny white clobber are finally starting to emerge. Look at the explosion of growth on day 24. The ears lengthen rapidly, revealing a dense web of vessels. Powerful muscles are now bulging in the hind legs, preparing the young life for its very first leaps. The skin is becoming thicker and more opaque, with characteristic wrinkles forming around the neck and joint areas. On day 30, millions of hair follicles emerge across the body, creating a soft and protective velvety texture.